Hey y'all, so we're gonna be baking a U-part wig for the first time ever. Like, I have some old bundles that I've been recycling each time I do a sewing, and I'm like, I need to get this on a wig ASAP. So first I'm putting on that pink shower cap because I'm gluing it instead of sewing. Wop wop. But yeah, I ain't got no time for no sewing, so to prevent my hair, I don't want my hair to get any glue, so I use a shower cap first. Then I added the wig cap, and the next thing I need to do to ensure that I have a nice U-part wig, I am a middle part girl, middle down, bust down all day, so I just took like a lip pencil or whatever it is that I'm using right now to line that the center part. And then after that, we're gonna get into trying to get these bundles together. So here are the bundles, just showing you they are such good quality. I've been reuse it like probably like 5 times or so. But anyways, like I said, I'm gluing it, so we're just gonna speed up this part and try to get this glue together on this here, on this wig cap. Was using the glue and I don't think it was enough, so I went ahead and started to use the Got To Me blasting freeze and then use my fan to dry it, because we're not gonna have no wig malfunction on the road when we're outside looking all cute and everything. So it took me like a good minute to finish this wig, but trust me baby, it came out so good. I see I'm just combing it out right now just to ensure that it's holding when I comb it, and then yeah, just remove that shower cap, and then yeah, we're gonna get dressed and put on this wig, and let me know how I did. Just comment down below. I know you're gonna like it. I'm stepping up, atta anaya. I'm stepping up, atta anaya. So don't you fight it. So don't you fight it.